Hey guys, David here, and today I'm going to be giving my first impressions on the Moft wallet stand. So I've been looking at the Apple's MagSafe wallet for quite some time, but I couldn't really justify myself in purchasing the product. Here in Canada it's $80, and that's quite a bit of money, especially on an accessory for a phone that you'll be using for like 2 or 3 years. And that's where I came across Moft. Moft is a company that makes accessories for laptops and phones, and they introduced their wallet stand, which is MagSafe compatible. So you have the iPhone 12 mini, the regular Pro, the Pro Max, they will work very well. And how it works is you just grab the Moft wallet stand and it snaps into place, just like that.
Yeah, bitch! Magnets! Oh!
This one I got is in gray. And what I like about this is it keeps the card hidden behind this flap here. So in order to access the flap, the cards, you gotta pull down this tab like so, and your cards are shown. You can put up to 3 cards, and there are 3 right now. It does add a little bit of bulk compared to the Apple MagSafe wallet, which is it's alright. I mean, it's not too bad, but that's how it is when you add 3 cards into it. In terms of comfort and grip, feels fine. I've seen some people where they place their fingers around, like underneath this flap, but to me it doesn't feel that secure. Like I feel like this wallet stand will come loose or something. It also comes in 3 other colors. So again, this is the gray color. You can get it in navy blue, black, or brown. And let's go ahead and show off the functionality. So this is how it is in portrait mode. You can put it in landscape mode, like so. And for float mode, all you have to do is rotate the wallet stand 45 degrees, and there you go. And it definitely helps reduce the bulk in carrying an additional wallet. So for example, here is my wallet right now. So I mainly just use my transit card. And yeah, so I won't be using this as much anymore. I'm going to try to use this from now on when going out. And this also works with the MagSafe charger. I do see myself using this portrait stand a lot while I'm on my computer desk because, you know, with the iPhone 12 you gotta do face unlocked and you gotta like look over, like move your body and your face in order to scan your face to unlock the phone. So this is gonna make it much more convenient, I would say. And what else could I say? I mean, is it worth the investment? I would say yes, for half the price compared to Apple's MagSafe wallet, and you're getting more functionality. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I think it's a good investment. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll try my best to answer them in the comments down below. And I'm still gonna make that review on the iPhone 12 Pro. Just give me a few more days until I feel better, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!